Now students, we are going to do subheading 6.3. It says differentiation. We are going to start with the rule number 1, power rule. It says if y is equal to ax to the power of n, then the dy over dx, that means the derivative of this function is going to be this a is going to be multiplied by this n. So we're going to have a times n, then x to the power n minus 1. This is how you do this rule, and then you can simplify after that. For an example, if you are given y is equal to x to the power of 3, y is equal to x to the power of 3, it can be written as y is equal to 1x to the power of 3. Because if there is no coefficient written here, people, it means the coefficient, it's not 0, but is 1. The coefficient is 1, okay? So it means we're going to have y is equal to 1x to the power of 3. Then what is the derivative of this function? It's going to be dy over dx is equal to 1 times 3x to the power 3 minus 1, which then gives us dy over dx. 1 times 3 is 3. X to the power 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? Is 2. So this is the final answer. Question B. What if it was given as f of x is equal to 4x to the power of negative 1? You can see that the exponent of x here is a negative exponent. Now let's see what are we going to do. Okay. This form, it is in a correct form first. Yes. And then the derivative of this function is going to be f prime of x is equal to 4 times negative 1 x to the power minus 1 minus 1. Okay, which gives us f prime of x, which is equal to 4 times negative 1 is negative 4, x to the power negative 1 and the negative 1, it gives us negative 2. But the rule, it says, of the derivatives, you must leave your answer with positive exponents. As we can see here, we are having a negative exponent, okay? So we can't leave our answer like this. It means we're going to leave it in a positive exponent. So to leave this in a positive exponent, what do you need to do? We are going to have a numerator and the denominator. The numerator is going to be minus 4. This one with a negative exponent is going to go down and it becomes x to the power positive 2. So that is the final answer. The derivative of 4x to the power negative 1 is equal to negative 4x to the power of 2. Thank you.